small jar where I have put the leaf and petiole. I then put the jar into a small cup and place the leaf cutting alongside the jar. The jar essentially holds the leaf cutting in place, and I use a little bit of water, just enough inside the cup to encourage roots to grow but not melt the leaf cutting.
Felt the love I gave no longer starts to bloom with you in mind. Wanna learn to find with you a way to hold, not lose. If I open up my heart this way, intertwine, maybe I'll make a change. This can only mean one thing, that my love might begin to believe again. It's only for you, only for you, only for you.
I changed my mind here and decided to cut the petiole with all the roots and the little plantlet attached and plant that lower part alone. Then I placed the remainder of the leaf and shorter petiole again in water to attempt to root that again. I just cut some slits into the leaf and put the leaf and petiole into the small cup with just a little bit of water to root again.
Kind of funny, crazy madness that keeps me up at night. Just thinking of you makes me nervous, like there's only you and I.
Then I planted the rooted leaf cutting.
You're the clarity I find when the clouds fill up the sky. I don't wanna miss a piece of you. When I'm with you, I can never lose. This can only mean one thing, that my love might begin to believe again. It's only for you.
And here I'm just adding some soil to a small plant and giving it some support. And that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.